on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at stuff from the Dollar Tree, where everything's $1. When I was at the Dollar Tree finding stuff for our dollar store bed, I noticed they had a whole bunch of really cool stuff. Dog nail clippers. Those aren't supposed to be in there. Although they are great for cutting wooden dowels. Just saying. We found all kinds of name brand stuff at the dollar store. My mini Mixie Q's! These are aqua boxes, and usually I find them at Walmart and Toys R Us for like $2.99. But today I found them at the dollar store for guess what? $1! They weren't even in the toy section. They were like over by the balloons and like the spoons. I don't know if all dollar stores are the same, but it wasn't in the toy section at our dollar store. I didn't take all of them. I left a few. Now let's open them up to see what's inside. At the store, I was shaking them all first to make sure there is something inside. Because yes, I have had situations where somebody beat me to it. In our first aqua box, we have the little list here, the checklist to say all of the available aqua box characters. There's a unicorn. But you know what? I'm not even gonna say that that's the one I'm looking for. We're just gonna open them up and see what happens. Our first one is difficult to open. There we go. It's the acrobat and orange cat from the front of the box. Both of them are special, so that's awesome. Next up we have Basketball Girl and Texas Girl. 8 more boxes to go, so that is 16 more chances to get the unicorn. Oh wait, we are not saying that. Just open the box. And this is Black Tie Boy and Pink Rocker. Checkout Girl and Birthday Girl. 6 more boxes to go. Camo Girl and Southwestern. Ooh, like your boots. 5 to go. Okay, I admit it. I want the unicorn. And Flower Child and Pink Rainy Day are not unicorns. Come on, I'm down to 4. You would think in a collection of only 18, I would have pretty good chances. You would think. And instead, I get doubles. Camo Girl and Southwestern are now twins. Yay! And Checkout Girl has a twin. And Birthday Girl. Only 2 boxes remaining. Will she get the star unicorn? Will it happen? Will today be the day? That's doubles. Flower Child and Pink Rainy Day. Only 1 box left. I am scared to open it. If it is a double, I think I just might scream. Like, seriously. Okay. Be brave. Last one. Very last one. It's not a double, but it's not a unicorn. Tutu Girl and Bridesmaid. So we have everyone except for Stripes, Cat Dress, On Holiday, and Star Unicorn. Because I just can't get enough of blind bags. At the dollar store, we also found My Little Pony blind bags. At most stores, these are around $2.50 to $3, so finding them at the dollar store is a great deal. This is Trixie, Lulamoon, and the other one is Lucky Clover. On the back of the card, you can see all of the ponies in the collection, and it looks like most of them are crystal ponies, and then at the very bottom there are some regular ones. I like the ones that are the regular ones. Up next, from Ever After High, we found the dragons from Dragon Games. I've seen these at Target for, I think, $3.99. You can see exactly what you're getting, so there's no danger of doubles. These are cute little dragons. They have little wings in the back, and they move. They can turn at the head and move at the arm. With these cute little dragons, we can start our own dragon nursery. Growling sounds. All right. Here's your bottle. Whose idea was it to have a dragon nursery? Do you know what it's like to burp a dragon? Uh-oh. What are you about to do? You have that look. I was really surprised to find these at the dollar store. Monster High vinyl figures. I've seen these priced at other stores for $6.99 to $9.99. This is Count Fabulous, Draculaura's cute little pet. Crescent is all cute and curled up right there, waiting for Claudine. And here is Frankie's What's It. These would make great party gifts. And the last thing we found was fashion. For just $1, I'm curious to see how this looks on our Barbie dolls. It says it fits most 11.5-inch dolls. Sophie, are you trying the clothes on? Yeah, well, how is it? I think the jeans are flannel. What? Come out and let us see. Okay. The jeans have an elastic waistband and they are made of a fuzzy flannel-like material. The shoes kind of fit. They look like pink Cinderella shoes with a matching pink purse and a striped sleeveless shirt that velcros in the back. The stitching is a little loose, so a lot of pulling may cause the velcro to come off, but I think the pants could work as pajama pants. Sophie, go try the next outfit on. Here is a floral dress. It is longer in the back and short in the front. It has no velcro or closures in the back. Instead, it has a slight stretch so you can get it onto the doll. Okay, let's try the next one. A little bit of a problem here. I think this is supposed to be a dress. However, I can't get it past my hips. It looks like a fairy costume. Okay, just move on to the next one. The last outfit kind of looks a little similar to a Barbie shirt that we have. It's a gray t-shirt with floral sleeves. It has no closures in the back, so it was a little difficult to get on. I popped some of the stitching. And it has fuzzy jean shorts. Thank you, Sophie. You have been so kind to model for us today. Everyone give her a hand. Oh, thank you. So I think the Monster High, Ever After High, My Little Pony, and My Mini Mixie Q's are definitely worth a trip to the dollar store. I can tell you right now, I am going back for more My Mini Mixie Q's. We are so close to completing the collection. Follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. Oops, sorry. And that's our collection for now.